at the rapid called Lunchbox. I went down it, but I'm waiting for the rest of the crew. I'm going to try and film them, even though I'm still in the water and I got to keep my boat upright. Okay, here comes Brian. Okay, and followed by Ubaldo. There he goes. Whoops. Whoa, kind of technical backwards. And it's a kayaking class.